Do you ever get tired of searching for answers on Google? What if I told you there's a chatbot that can answer any question you have? Introducing Chat, the revolutionary chatbot that can answer any question you have in seconds. Chat uses advanced artificial intelligence technology to provide accurate answers to any question you have. And it's not just limited to simple questions. Chat can even provide advice on complex matters such as financial investments and medical advice. The best part? You can access Chat from anywhere, at any time. Whether you're at work or at home, Chat is always there to help you out. It has a user-friendly interface that anyone can navigate without difficulty. Chat isn't just useful for individuals, either. Many businesses have implemented Chat to improve their customer service experience. So why waste time searching Google for answers? Discover Chat and experience the revolution of chatbots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.